don't need old age home. Psychosocial services where we can deal with it. There are a lot of psychological intervention, there are a lot of social problem, a family problem, adjustment problem with the mother-in-law and the daughter-in-law. So we need person who can settle this problem. Then we need multidisciplinary care center where a psychologist, physiotherapist, occupational therapist, speech therapist, hearing aid therapist, everybody is available on single place where you don't have to go in different wards and different departments. In one place you will get OPD of all the person. This kind of multidisciplinary services will be started. Recreation. This is very important because when we age at 60, people think we don't need recreation. Of course we need to play, we need to go out, we need to sing, we need to dance, we need to travel, we need to do all the things we did. We should not stop anything because we are 60 plus. Technology. This is again important because a bridging of gap between young and old is happening. And technology is one very important aspect. So we need to upgrade with ourselves, with the computers, with the laptop, with the mobile phone, with the video game. And these are very good for mental stimulation also. When you handle a mobile phone, when you talk to somebody, when you work on computer, you're using your mind. That means you're not keeping it idle. So that is very important, and then you can talk to your grandson, you can talk to your son, people you can understand what they are talking, and we adjust to the present environment. Then monitoring guidelines. Again, we make lot of old age home, lot of geriatric centers have started, we have lot of care services, but there is no single module in India. There is no monitoring agency that will look after this services and facilities. Anybody will come and have a money and make a hospital, but no monitoring. We have to see the elderly is not abused. As you said, they are not overcharged for the medicine. They are not overcharged for the services they provide. So it has to be properly monitored and seen that elderly is not abused. Elder-friendly design, product and services should be there. Long-term care, meal services. There are a lot of problems. People are living alone because you live longer. Some person has to die. You have to live alone. There are some days you need a tiffin service, you need snacks, you need lunch or dinner. So we have very few services in India. In Western countries there are meals on wheels. You call for meal and they will provide you meal at your service, at your doorstep. So here also I think we need to have something innovative, this kind of services. Of course, community involvement, that means you should continue to work in your community. Regular health camp. You should not avoid your health because it's very important. Check your diabetes, check your blood pressure, do your lipid profile. This is very important when we age. Training of the family members is also very important. It's not about aging person. Family members should also be trained. This is a problem in the family. You might support him, help him, and then the problem will be much better to handle. We need a lot of volunteers and support group. We need to organize a lot of self-group and support. That means when in your community, in your society, you can form small group of 5 people and provide help and support to the person. Psychosociological intervention required. Gerontology should be taught in the social work colleges where special subject for geriatrician in the medical field, for MBBS doctor, psychiatrist should know what is geriatric and elderly care. When we go to hospital, he treat us like any other person, but senior citizens require special attention. Their needs are different, and if they suffer from Alzheimer dementia, then their problem are different. Because you can't ask an Alzheimer person, have you had a medicine? Is there a pain? He can't tell because he doesn't know. So there has to be different kind of intervention. And active and productive aging should be promoted. A lot of home care services should be provided. Before ending, I think we should not forget this about healthy aging. This is a way of life for any geriatric. That means healthy aging is a new concept. It's just not a medical terminology. We are talking about a holistic approach. Healthy aging can be achieved by active engagement with life, maintaining relationship and performing activities. Those are productive and meaningful for them. That means you should, as you have come here, you are doing active engagement between different people. You are maintaining relationship with me. I am maintaining relationship with you. You are performing activities. You are understanding. which is going to be productive for you and other people. You are going to talk about this to other people. So you should do activities that is productive, that is mutual benefit, and that is just meaningful. Just sitting at home and watching television is not meaningful. That means you need to really do something which is productive and meaningful. Key factors for healthy aging are good health and overall ability to function, regular physical activities, friendship, strong social support system, on personal characteristics including better education, belief in one's ability to handle which he has to offer. That means overall it is just not physical well-being, it is mental and physical well-being. We should be happy, no need to worry. We are aged, nothing to worry. Forget everything, forget your past. You have lived your life. Now is the time to spend time on yourself. Spend time on the society. Be active, enjoy your life. This is very important. And then when you talk about healthy aging, then it becomes preventive for all diseases that are going to come. Or also it can be cured when you're happy. So it cures most of the problem because you accept what you are and then you live in the life what is going to happen. A mantra for healthy aging again. A key mantra for promoting healthy aging is to need to stay connected with other people. Don't stay alone. Don't stay aloof. Don't stay isolated in one room. Mix with people. Talk to people. Go around. If there is Anna Hazare coming with anti-corruption campaign, go and join him. So we need people to do social work. We need people to be active and be connected with all this kind of services. Active participation and making meaningful contribution have a greater impact on your health, which will be beneficial for you and also for the society and whole globe. Emotional support including expression of affection, love and esteem, respect is also very important. Don't hide your emotion. This is again very important. You want to laugh, just laugh. Cry, just cry, and show your emotion, show your love and affection to everybody. Sir, please come here. So, we need to show the affection. Sir, Ayya. Now we are... So I am showing an affection for him. And this is called Munna Bhai Ki Jhappi. So, where you give a hug to somebody. This is very important. Oh, come, sir. So this is what is required. What we are doing, he came on his own, I called him. So we had a relationship. We pass our warm up. We exactly bonding, and this is expression of love. Don't stop yourself doing this. Smile, cry, make fun, enjoy your life, and give a hug to anybody you want. Please ask somebody, especially the girl. But this is very important in life, and don't stop yourself. This is healthy aging, and this is, you are going to be a best ideal of model for as a geriatrician and also as a senior citizen. These are some of the important contact details. If you have any problem, you can call the services. Mumbai Police Helpline is 1090, 4-digit number. Social worker NGO helpline is 1298, only 4 digits. I have given a pamphlet written into it. Dignity Foundation, Sri Manav, yeah, it is there. Silver Rating, Majlis Elder Helpline, Alzheimer Related Society Helpline. These are all there. This might be helpful if you require. I want to end with this. We call it Society for All Ages. There is no discrimination where you're aged, where you're female, you're young, old, no. A society for all ages. Every person, every man, woman and child deserve to be treated with respect and with caring. Every person, no matter how young or how old, deserve to be safe from harm by those who live with them, care for them, or come in day-to-day contact. So, aging is not lost youth, but a new stage of opportunity. So this is an opportunity you have to be a healthy person and be productive aging. So you still contribute to the society, yourself and your family. Thank you.